You need to eat your fruits and vegetables. We've all heard it, but why is it so important? Well, there are many reasons, but one of the most known are the antioxidants packed in every bite. But what really are antioxidants? And why are they so important? Well, first, we need to talk about oxidation. Oxidation reduction reactions, or redox for short, are where one reactant gives some of its electrons to another. In a reaction, if an atom, whether by itself or in a compound, loses electrons, it is said to be oxidized. If the same atom instead gains electrons, it is said to be reduced. One example of a redox reaction is the rusting of iron on your old bike. As a lone atom and monatomic molecule, both reactants should have the same number of electrons as their atomic numbers. In the iron 3 oxide, since it is an ionic compound, the bond is held together by the attraction of the positive and negative charges of the individual ions. Using the typical way the ion charges can be determined, the number of electrons in each ion in the product is shown. Since the iron lost electrons, it was oxidized, and the oxygen was reduced. Now, how does any of this relate to the human body? Well, free radicals, often formed during metabolism, are atoms with unpaired electrons in its valence shell. Since it has an unpaired electron, a free radical will take an electron from other stable compounds in your body, oxidizing these stable compounds. This effect is called oxidative stress, especially as the cycle repeats. The unwanted oxidation can lead to damage throughout the cell. Over time, this oxidative stress can lead to an increased risk for cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and more. Well, if free radicals can cause so many issues, what can we possibly do to minimize the risk they pose? Antioxidants. They also have an unpaired electron in their valence shell, but they typically won't take electrons from your body. Instead, they take the unpaired electron off free radicals, giving both compounds fully paired electrons, preventing the free radicals from oxidizing the important bits. Although your body does produce some antioxidants, your diet is an important source. Some examples of antioxidants you may know the names of are vitamins A, C, and E, and zinc. Foods rich in antioxidants like these can therefore reduce the number of free radicals roaming in your cells, minimizing the oxidative stress. And that's the reason why you need to eat your fruits and vegetables.